Hello, hello. Dione Irwin here. Happy Thursday. I'm just here in Airdrie at this wonderful home that we're going to show you. So yeah, it's Dione Irwin with Remax. I've got one of my awesome agents with me that's going to take us through the house. So yeah, we've just been having a great time this summer selling houses, helping people buy and sell houses, helping people get what they want, and trying our best to do it to make it a good experience for people. So thank you everybody for your support, and thank you to my team for just being so awesome. It's much appreciated, and we just want to make it the best for all of our clients. So that's our goal, and we try to have fun doing it. So hair is sticking up. Okay, so here I am. So it's Dione Irwin again with Remax. Dione Irwin team, your home sold guaranteed or we'll buy it. We love that program, and if you have questions or if you know somebody that might be interested, make sure you share this video, or just call us, message us, Facebook message us, Instagram message us, anything. You know how to find us. We're pretty easy to find. So I'm here at this beautiful home in Reunuon, which I used to live in Reunuon, and I love Reunuon. It's one of my favorite communities in Airdrie. Really family oriented and lots of friendly people, just schools, it's just building so much, schools, parks. There's a pond right next door in Williamstown. It's just a really great neighborhood, and this home is it's one of the cleanest homes I've ever seen, for real. It's so clean and beautiful, and it's perfect for a family. Okay, so I'm in the backyard right now. This back, okay, I'll flip it around. I guess that would help. Hi, everybody watching. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, this one, it has a garden. It's got a pretty good sized yard. Two level deck with trees in kind of between the deck. It's making it really private. You get the morning sun here because it's east backyard, so it's really nice and sunny right now. And so first level, the deck here, it's got a gas line for the barbecue, which is really handy, right? We all like that. Okay, so here's the first level. It's just really private. It's got trees, so if you're gonna sit out here, you don't have to worry about neighbors, and you can just sit and enjoy your yard. So there's room for a pretty big deck, plus you could also have probably a trampoline or something if you wanted. This is the other level. It's lots of room for a table. And okay, so inside here I've got a very special person waiting to give us a tour. Hello, Lindy Bowler. How are you today?
I'm great.
Awesome. So are you gonna give us a tour of this home?
I am.
Yes.
Have you seen the beautiful yard?
Yes.
You can come on and take a look inside.
Okay, and what's the address? I didn't tell them yet.
Oh, we are at 24 Reunuon
Close.
Coming on the market later today.
Yep, it's coming soon, everybody. I forgot to tell them that too. So it's not on the market yet. You're gonna have to contact us if you want to see it before then, because it's priced really well, and it is a great home. We just sold the one 2 doors down, and that one was actually sold really well too, but this one, it's got a little more features even. So anyways, Lindy's gonna show us. Lindy's been busy all summer selling and buying houses with her clients, also hanging out with her family, camping, just outdoor stuff, right?
Yes, yesterday we were at Cobb's Corn Maze actually, and
Oh.
you can pet wallabies, you can
Really?
cuddle baby ones. The kids had a fantastic
Did you get
time.
pictures?
I have pictures, yes.
You got to post them. Good. I'd love to see that. That's cool. So how long is that open? Do you know?
I think it's open
Till,
daily until the end of the long weekend, and
Yeah.
then probably just on weekends. And I know that they do lots of Halloween stuff too.
Oh, right.
And
Nice.
and
There you
once the
go.
corn gets up, they have the corn
Yeah.
maze there.
Yes, that's true. Okay, so that's great. I love that you do all that stuff around Airdrie and Calgary and area. That's awesome. Okay, so let's start here. So what's the square footage?
So
some of the features here.
I'll tell you about it. The home is just under 1,900 square feet, so plenty of space for a family.
Yep.
And it's got an open concept main floor. So we're standing in the kitchen,
Yep.
but you also have your dining area here and the living room as well, with a cozy gas fireplace for the upcoming winter months. Got the TV wall mounted, which is nice for space saving.
Yep.
There are custom blinds on all of the windows, as well as phantom screens on the front and back door. We have 9-foot ceilings here on the main floor. Hardwood, really nice hardwood flooring.
Yeah.
This kitchen is massive. There's so much counter space, and it's got granite countertops. There's a little workstation, I think, that Dione had just shown you. You can have your computer and notepads and stuff.
Yeah.
Lots of cupboard space as well.
Pot lights.
Yeah. We've got the sink in that really nice big island here. And one thing I really like is the walk-through pantry. So you can go from your pantry all the way through to the back door.
So unload your groceries right from the garage, right?
Yes, so when you're unloading groceries, this is fantastic. We also have the laundry here up on pedestals, which is
very nice.
A nice feature to have.
Nice washer dryer.
The garage through there.
Yep.
Our closet. And if you
go through here
around the corner here, we have access to the front of the house.
You can close this in case it's messy in here. It could get messy, right? So
nice and large 2-piece powder set away from the kitchen area, which is always something nice to have.
Well, private,
and a really big entryway with a nice vaulted ceiling.
See if we can. Yeah, it's a 2-story.
It's really
entry.
Nice and bright.
Yeah, good.
In the home.
Awesome. Okay, I'll sneak over here again. You want to take us upstairs?
Yes, let's head upstairs.
Okay, for sure.
There are 3 bedrooms upstairs.
Yep.
As well as a really large bonus room.
Sorry, I'm trying to get your head in the shot here. Sorry. Okay, where's Lindy?
Here I am.
There she is. Okay, there she is.
Too fast for the
no, it's good. Yeah, we don't want to lose our camera. Okay, so here we go. Up the stairs.
Yes, soft carpeting on the upper level.
It's in really great condition too, like no stains. The hardwood, there's no scratches.
This home is immaculate.
Yeah.
I
the
can't
walls,
believe what kind of great condition that it's in.
Yeah.
We have a linen closet here, which is handy to have. This is one of the extra
bedrooms, and they're actually really quite big. What is that, a queen?
Yes.
It's a queen, yes. Room for a queen, and then night tables, and then
room darkening blinds on
closet.
The upstairs.
Oh, that's right, blackout. Very nice. Okay.
We'll take you next into the master retreat.
Okay.
Which currently, I believe, has a queen bed, but there's lots of room in here to have a king bed.
You could put your bed on that wall over there too, instead of between the windows.
Lots
right,
of
there's different options. And then the walk-in.
Yeah,
walk-in closet.
With double doors here.
Right. Well, that is actually really big.
You could even add extra organizers on the lower part.
It's actually quite really big. Okay, that's good.
And a nice big ensuite as well.
Let's check this out.
And there are granite countertops in the bathroom.
Okay, upstairs they brought it up. So lots of room on that vanity.
A really big vanity, a standalone shower.
With a light.
As well as a tub. And nice to have the sort of frosted glass there for privacy in the bathroom.
Don't need blinds, that's always nice, right? It's a good size soaker. It's nice and deep, pretty long, right? Yeah. Okay, I'll go out here. We'll follow Lindy. Let's let her out of the bathroom.
So we have more to see up here. It's
it just keeps
a nice big 2-story.
It just keeps going. Okay, so it's just under 1,900 square feet. We said that, right?
Yes, we did. Yeah. So here's one.
It's in Reunuon. Everybody.
Bedrooms.
Okay. Yeah. This one not furnished, but it's still a good size.
Great size.
Yeah, really good size.
And then we have the other bathroom.
Other bathroom. Okay.
So it's again nice and big. You can even have an organizer here if you need towels, toiletries, lots of cabinet space, and then the tub shower combo here.
Very good.
And then finally we'll head into the big bonus room. Huge windows in here and so much space. You could have a secondary, family room with a TV up here. You could have a kid's playroom up here.
Yep.
There's lots of different options. Craft, sew room.
It's nice because there's 2 living rooms already. You don't have to. There's 2 living spaces right now, even though the basement's unfinished. You got all this space while you're finishing it, or?
Yeah. And did you talk a little bit about Reunuon at all?
A little bit. You can talk more though. Should we walk downstairs? You want to walk and talk, and then we'll just go and show everybody the front.
I just wanted to make sure that everyone knows that, well, this is on the close, so it's nice and low traffic.
Yes.
Which is good, and there's lots of kids around in the neighborhood, lots of playgrounds, parks, pathways,
Yep.
and pond. Feels like all the P's here.
Oh, yeah.
And,
That's right.
nice and close to lots of different shopping amenities.
Yeah, they just built a bunch of new stores just on Veterans, right? Mm-hmm. There's a lot of new shopping and restaurants and stuff. So on the north end of Airdrie, which is nice.
Yeah.
And I told everybody that I used to live in Reunuon and Williamstown. So I love it here. I do. I would. It's one of my favorite neighborhoods in Airdrie. So.
And now we're just going to take you out front. We haven't shown that part of the home yet. It does.
Yeah.
We talked about the garage, so it's a front double attached garage with a nice big driveway as well, and really nice curved feel.
It is a nice long driveway. Yeah. Okay.
And you get the window in the front door, which lets in lots of light, but there's also a blind on it.
This is right for privacy. Yep. Okay, here we go. Front. I'll just go out here with my socks on. Okay, let's walk out here and then we'll turn it around and show everybody the street too, right? So it's a really nice, quiet street. There's lots of parking along that over there if you have company, or so it's not crowded at all on this street. It's a really good street, and we just sold that house right there. So we could put a sold sign up there too. When you buy this house, we'll put another sold up, right? We find a nice person to live in here, right, Lindy?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't think this one's gonna last very long.
No, I don't either. It's a good price. It's got, and people give a lot of value for how immaculate it is. Plus, the one just down there didn't have a bonus room, so this one is a little bit more square footage than that one, but price pretty similar.
Yes.
So
yeah, and really nice condition.
Yeah. Okay, so now we wanted to make sure everybody knows that we have our guarantee. So it is kind of windy. So if you or anybody you know is looking to buy or sell, for that matter, just make sure that you contact us to ask us about our guaranteed sale program, because we'll buy your house so you can buy this house.
Great. And if you want more information once the home goes live, just comment on the video and we'll make sure that we send you the full listing.
Yes. Okay. So Lindy, let's get this house on the market, and let's just have a great day. All right. Thanks very much.
Weekend, everybody.
Yeah. Bye, everybody.
Bye.